A Neapolitan calzone is an Italian folded pizza filled with ricotta cheese, fresh mozzarella cheese, different kinds of meats, and topped off with a delicious tomato sauce. This is a great and easy recipe. Pour 330 grams or 1 1/3 cups of water in a mixing bowl. Add 30 grams or 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add 100 grams or 1/3 of a cup of sourdough starter. Mix the sourdough starter with the water until the sourdough starter dissolves with the water. Then add 600 grams or 4 1/4 cups of bread flour. Add first half of the flour and mix with a dough whisk. Then add 12 grams or 2 teaspoons of your favorite salt. I am using pink Himalayan salt today, but you can use your favorite. Add the rest of the flour and continue mixing all the ingredients until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Use your hands to knead the dough in the bowl until you have a very cohesive dough. Then, take the dough out of the bowl and continue kneading it on your working table until you have a soft and elastic dough, like this one. It should take you around 20 minutes. Make a bowl with the dough and place it in a grease bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a plastic lid and let the dough proof in a warm place for about 4 hours or until it doubles in size. After 4 hours, your dough should look like this one. This one has doubled in size and it is ready to be portioned. So, take the dough out of the bowl, stretch and fold it one last time, and form a ball with the dough again. Divide the dough in 4 equal pieces with the help of a dough scraper. Make 4 balls of dough with the 4 pieces of dough. Make sure to stretch the dough well one last time to add more tension. Place the balls of dough on a prepared baking sheet with some flour and sprinkle some more flour on top of the dough. Cover it with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough proof for another 2 hours. In the meantime, prepare the sauce for your calzone. Use your hands to crush a big can of San Marzano tomatoes. Season the tomatoes with some salt. You can also add pepper and basil leaves, but my tomatoes already have basil in them. Crush the tomatoes until you have a smooth sauce. Now, prepare the filling for your calzone. In a big bowl, add ricotta cheese and use a spoon to break it down. Season with enough salt and fresh mild pepper and mix well until you have a creamy and a smooth ricotta cheese filling. To form the calzone, get a piece of dough and use your fingers to press and extend the dough. Avoid to press and extend the dough on the center of the dough, so the dough is thick in the middle of the dough, where you will be placing the calzone filling. Use your hands to toss the dough around to keep extending the dough. Finally, pull the dough for a final stretch. And place the filling on one side of the dough. Place the ricotta mix first. Add some fresh mozzarella cheese in small pieces. Make sure to distribute the cheese well and some basil leaves. You can also add any meat you like in this step. Cover the calzone with the rest of dough and press firmly the dough with your fingers to seal the edges of dough together. Break small holes on the surface of the dough and place the dough on a flour pizza peel. Add some of that delicious tomato sauce on top and grate some Parmesan cheese and place some basil leaves on top. Place the calzone in a preheated oven with a pizza steel or a pizza stone at 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius for about 8 minutes or until your calzone is golden brown. Remove the calzone from the oven And as soon as you take it out, grate some more fresh Parmesan cheese on top and add some extra virgin olive oil. To decorate, add some more pieces of fresh mozzarella and some fresh basil leaves. I am very sure that you're gonna love this calzone. What is not to love? Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week.